Yeah, I know. I was here in Kolkata coaching 80K. I know I'm coming now for a different club, Mohun Bagan, one of the biggest club, not only in India, even in Asia, with a lot of history, with great fans, very supporting very passionate, supporting the team. Okay, it's a great challenge to me to be here. I know Mohun Bagan fans want to win trophies. It's the same that I won, the same that the players won, the same that the owner won. Win every match we are going to play. Of course, it will be very difficult to win all of them, but we are going to try. We are going to work hard, trying to make the fans, the club, the management, everybody happy, and that's the challenge. I told you, your colleagues before, we have to try to win all the matches. That's Mohun Bagan, right? It doesn't matter if it's ISL, it doesn't matter if it's Durand Cup, if it's Champions League, Asian competition. Okay, we're going to try to make our best in every match with all the players, with the help of the club, the management, and try to win. It's important the ISL, it's important the Champions League. Every match will be the most important. You know, when we are going to play one match, this match will be the most important match. And we are going to try to win this match and make everything to do it.